Did you know you can watch the YouTube video in a small floating windows while using other applications on your PC? In this video, I'll show you how to enable picture-in-picture mode on YouTube using your browser. You can keep the YouTube video playing in a small floating windows while browser on the tab working on your document and other applications. So let's see how it's work. First, open the YouTube in your browser and play any video. So guys, in this tutorial I am using Google Chrome, but you can also use other supported browser. Here's a simple trick. You can right click the video and you can see the YouTube right click menu, but do not select anything yet. Now right click on the video one more time. Now you will see the browser on menu, and here you should see the options called picture in picture. Click picture in picture and that's it. Now the video is playing in a small floating windows. Now I can move another tab. You can see the video is now playing and you can working something on your computer. You can also move this floating windows anywhere on your screen, and you can resize it by dragging its edges. It's make it really helpful and useful when you want to watch YouTube tutorial while working on your PC. So guys, when you finish, simply right click on the video, click the close, and you can also click the close button to move return video. So guys, if this tutorial help you, make sure like my video and subscribe my channel for more useful tips Windows tutorial. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.